In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean Klaviyo lists quickly and easily. This process will help you maintain a healthy email list by identifying and removing inactive subscribers, ensuring that your email campaigns are effective and reach the audience that is truly engaged with your content. Let's jump right in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your Klaviyo account. It's always a good idea to make sure you have access to all the features necessary for managing your lists, and remember, keeping your data secure is of utmost importance. Once you're logged in, the next step is to identify inactive contacts. These are the people on your list who haven't been interacting with your emails. Identifying these contacts helps you target who exactly needs to be removed to improve your engagement rates. Navigate to the audience section and select lists and segments. From here, it's time to create a new segment. Segments are dynamic groups of people who meet certain conditions you set. In our case, we're focusing on those who have been less active in interacting with your emails. To find these inactive subscribers, we're going to use filters. A typical filter to use would be to look for contacts that have received an email from you at least a certain number of times in the last 90 days but haven't opened them. This helps in pinpointing which contacts aren't engaging with your emails despite having had several opportunities to do so. Adjust the number of times emails are received to what works best for your specific business needs. After setting your filters, click on the Create Segment button. This action will configure the system to identify and group these specific contacts into one segment, making it easier for you to manage them. With the segment of inactive contacts identified, the next step is suppression. Suppression is essentially a process where you prevent emails from being sent to these contacts without removing their data from your account entirely. This is useful because it keeps them from receiving unnecessary emails, which could be detrimental to your email deliverability and open rates. To suppress these contacts, go back to the audience section and select list and segments again. Here, you'll see the inactive contact segment you just created. Select it, then click on the actions menu, which appears as 3 dots. From the drop-down, choose suppress current members. This step will ensure that these inactive contacts won't receive future emails. By suppressing inactive contacts, you're not only cleaning up your list, but also boosting your engagement metrics, as your emails are more likely to reach people who are genuinely interested in your content. Keeping a clean list is one of the vital best practices in email marketing, and it's something you should be doing regularly to ensure the ongoing success of your campaigns. And there you have it, a streamlined and efficient way to clean your Klaviyo lists. Make sure to repeat this process periodically to maintain the health of your email list. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy emailing!